trying to figure things out.
You pulling up the floor?
She's gonna be in bed early tonight.
Yeah.
Get it in there. Get it in there. Can you get it in there? Oh, close. Yeah, maybe use your hand. There you go. Ah, close. Yeah, use the tool. Yep, get that in there. Pry it up. Pry it up. Pry it up.
It's stuck.
Look.
Yes, it's stuck. It's glued.
What about this piece, Anna? Ready? Get it in there. Hey. Oh! Good job, Anna!
That's what Daddy needed. Good helping.
No, it doesn't go up there. If you put it back on, we gotta put it back on. This number matches. I think that's in the closet.